Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the network connection solid. Put both the Realme TV and your phone on the same Wi-Fi band too, 4 or 5 gigahertz, so discovery is fast. Once done, go straight to the TV's settings, choose System, then Wireless Display or Cast, and toggle it on. At the same time, open the Cast or Screen Mirroring panel on your phone and allow device discovery. This immediately begins the handshake, so the TV can appear in your phone's list. Now you make the connection. Locate the Realme TV name in your phone's cast list and tap it. If the TV displays a PIN, enter it on your phone or simply confirm the connection on the TV screen. This authorizes the stream and prevents accidental pairing. Make sure you allow any permission prompts for audio, video, or notifications so sound and controls work correctly. Once connected, you'll see the phone screen mirrored. Adjust orientation or app settings when necessary for best display. To finish, confirm the image and audio sync. You can use the TV remote to select the wireless display input if the mirror isn't visible. When you're done, stop mirroring from the phone's cast menu to free the connection. If something goes wrong, a single most effective troubleshooting step is to ensure both devices are on the exact same Wi-Fi network and that no VPN or hotspot is active. If problems persist, reboot the TV and phone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.